Okay, get ready for it. I am about to share the most decadent, amazing tasting protein shake that I'm pretty sure I've ever had. And I have to give a shout out to Linda Stevens for sharing this recipe. So I start off with this Califia Farms organic almond milk. And what's awesome about this one is the organic one, it only has 4 ingredients. So no extra crapola in here. So it's made with water, organic almonds, organic vanilla extract, and sea salt. That is it. So I start off with 8 ounces of this. Measure that into my blender. And by the way, this is super quick and easy. Oh, sorry about the sun in the background. Super quick and easy, and I like to drink this right after my workout. Then I do a scoop of this protein espresso powder. Holy moly, this stuff is crazy good. I'll do another video on how I make my morning coffee, but I put a scoop of this in my morning coffee as well for a little extra protein because we all need extra protein. So a scoop of the protein espresso powder, it is from this brand BioEdge. And then a scoop of the PB2 peanut butter. I think this is a new one, so it's gonna take me a second to open it up. Yep, because I go through this stuff like candy. All right, sorry about that. Should have done this ahead of time. All right, so I do a tablespoon of the PB2 peanut butter powder. So it is this one. Love, so good. All right, almost there. I also add my collagen, so I do Vital Proteins collagen. This is unflavored, so you can add it pretty much to anything, but I like to add a scoop, again, a tablespoon, to my protein drink, so I know I'm getting my collagen every day. And then for some extra fiber, I like to add flax seeds. Good tablespoon of that. I add I don't know, like maybe a quarter cup of water. And then I gotta go get some ice. Okay, I'm back. Add a big scoop of ice. So if you like it like frothier, you can add less ice and a little more milk. But if you like it icy and kind of thicker, you can add a little more ice. I don't like to add too much ice because I find at the bottom when I'm done sipping, like this whole, it makes a lot, by the way, it makes this whole cup. But when I'm down to here, it's like a slushie and I have to eat it with my spoon. So I prefer to do a little less ice. That's why I add a little extra water too. Okay, I'm gonna blend. I think this is gonna be loud, so let's see. We might pause it for a minute. By the way, I love this Ninja. This Ninja blender is the bomb, and it has this like smoothie. Let's see, let's do it this way. It has this smoothie button, which okay, so blender is done. I'm gonna take off this lid. Let's see. This is so good. I can't wait for you to see it. Okay, lid off. Okay, are you ready for this? Heaven. Like I said, I like mine not as icy, and it makes a ton, as you can see. It fills up this all the way. Oh, that was close. I almost overflowed. Anyway, all right. So good. You guys have to try this recipe. Let me know what you think.